This is just a simple Python code using SQLite, where we're doing some statistical processing, like we used to do mean, median, mode, and all of that using calculator. But can we do it using Python? So this code is basically going to do that with some pictorial visualizations like histograms and pie charts and whatnot, and then we will export that analysis to a PDF file or a Excel file, and save it, right? So that's basically the objective of this particular Python code. Like I've named it, it is statistical processing using SQLite and Python. Basically, what we're doing is we're installing, Matplotlib and all of that is basically for your visualization, right? So I put that. Streamlit, I kind of initially started so that we can get a web UI front end, but then I kind of stopped it because this is very basic, so just restricted it to be a manually fed input into the code itself rather than a dynamic one, right? And then we are importing SQLite and pandas, numpy, all of those are libraries in Python that are used for statistic analysis like mean, median, mode, and stuff like that, right? Like I said, Matplotlib and Seaborn are libraries within Python that are used to plot graphs and visualization techniques and things like that. And then a couple of other things for importing PDFs and CSV and things like that, right? So like I said, I'm not using SQL here, rather I'm using SQLite because that's a version that is embedded. You don't need to really install anything extra, and you could do this on web itself. So here we're initializing SQLite, and then we are trying to store some responses. And as you could see, I'm inserting some sample data for testing purposes. I've given like 4 questions, and each of the questions have given some ratings and satisfaction scores and whatnot. Basically, the objective is to find the mean, median, mode out of this, right? So once I've loaded the data, I want to see if the data is loaded or not. So I'm doing df.head, so that gives me the top 5 uh, output in this tabular format. And then I'm doing descriptive statistics. Like you'd see, I'm doing mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and range. And I'm printing that output as well from the data that is given above. And then I'm doing some visualization in terms of the frequency, bar graphs, histogram, pie chart, so on and so forth, right? So, and then I'm exporting this into a PDF as well as a CSV file. So that's about the code. Any questions, please put it on the comment section. Thank you.